Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 25th of October, 2022. We're going to talk about Solana today and see what's going to happen next. You guys can see already in front of you on the screen that I've been expecting the market in Solana to go up, and we really haven't been seeing that. And at some point, you just need to come in and fess up and say, look, the market is not going in the direction I expected it to go. I need to come through and actually evaluate the situation and change up if need be. So let's talk about this, because I originally had this price prediction in Solana all the way back on September 28, 2022. Came back on October the 17th and another price prediction that said I'm still expecting the price to go up. And this is where the market was at that time, right here on October the 17th. Now, look at what's been going on since then. The market hasn't even been reflecting any buyers, any strength, nothing. So it kind of lets us know that we may need to come in and reevaluate the situation and get out the way. Because if the market in Solana is still weak, we need to get about the way and expect the market to continue to fall down in price. So this is Solana right here on the 2-day time frame. You guys can see that we have 13 hours left on this current 2-day price bar, which is right here, and we're still seeing some weakness. Okay, so the market is not really too bullish, it's not really too weak, but it is weak. All right, so check this out. Here's Solana right here on the 3-day time frame, and this last completed 3-day price bar definitely tells us that there's still some weakness into the market. And I really don't like the fact when you see this on the 3-day chart that the market in Solana did not trade up here above this horizontal line, which is around $30. We would have loved to see price break above $30, but it didn't happen. Okay, in fact, we just got rejected around $30 on this last completed 3-day price bar, which still tells me that the market is generally weaker than it is stronger. All right, 5-day time frame real quick. Take a look at this one. Last 5-day price bar here into the market Solana, we're still seeing some weakness. So we cannot expect the price to go up when we don't see it on the chart. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this price prediction right here. And yes, it did not go the way I expected it to go. If we were to get out right now, we're down 13%. It happens. Check this out though. Weekly time frame. You guys can see the market is literally waiting for something to occur to try to spur some type of interest, some type of demand in the market in Solana, because it's not here yet. And as I look at the market action in Solana, I wouldn't even be surprised now to see price in Solana bounce all the way down here to 20. Yeah, $20. So I'm going to move this lower area of support down here towards $20. And we're going to expect the market to run down to that particular level, because there's just literally no one is trying to come into the market in Solana and buy right now. So it looks like it's going to be a slow, drawn out movement to the downside. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart. This is Solana on the 2 weeks. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this real quick. 3 weeks time frame, the 5 weeks time frame, and even here on the monthly. Okay, now the 3 months chart is where you're really seeing the emphasis of weakness into the market in Solana. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and play that to the downside in Solana. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this upper resistance area line, and our attention is going to be focused on the market in Solana running down to that $20 price. Okay, so for us to see the market in Solana run to 20, it's around 28% movement to the downside, which is very plausible. And we're going to hold our resistance area now right there around $36 and a nickel. Okay, so let me bring this over just a little bit closer to ending of November, and this is going to be it right there. Now let's see, because I can actually tell that we may begin to see some increases in Solana's price. Like we might get a bump up in price because of these daily time frames right here to where the market low came in. So yeah, that would have to be a price target for us, around $25.50. Okay, so that is a price target as well. And then my second price target, let me zoom in over here. So we got $25.50 first. Well, let's just do 25. So we got 25 first, $22.50 second, and then $20 third. Okay, let me repeat. $25 first, $22.50 second, and then $20 third. Those are my 3 price targets going on into the market right now in Solana, right? So this is what I'm expecting the market to do now. Given what we have already seen since my last 2 price predictions in the market not giving us any strength, and we're going to continue to play some weakness to the downside. Now give me your thoughts. Give me your price target, your price prediction to the market Solana. What are you expecting? Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.